Hello, Namaste, Vanakkam. Wherever you are in the world, welcome you all to Nutro Sapien. I have been obsessed with one fundamental question over a decade. How what we eat affects who we are. Not just calorie in, calorie out way, but in a profound, scientific, deeply human way. And today, we are going to dive into a topic that is most critical and often overlooked on the Indian plate. Yes, the protein problem. India is a nation with huge culinary diversity, a kaleidoscope of flavors, textures, and tradition. But beneath the surface of these vibrant curries, meals, and thalis, there is a silent nutrition deficit happening in millions of homes. And that deficit, my dear friends, is the protein. This video isn't about shaming or blaming anyone's dietary choice or dietary preference. I would like to have this video as a critical conversation that is rooted with science, and the objective of this video is to empower you, to provide you more knowledge, more practical wisdom. Because as the famous sapien author Yuval Noah Harari might prompt us to consider, understanding our biology, understanding our fundamental need is the first step towards shaping our future, both individually and collectively, and I strongly believe it. Now you might be thinking, protein deficit in India? No. I eat dal every day, from sambar to dal tadka to dal fry. And paneer is the popular dishes in most of the Indian cuisine, from paneer dosa to paneer paratha to paneer butter masala. Yes, I agree. We used to eat more dal, more paneer dishes, but how much we eat in a day? How much protein we are getting out of it? And if we compare against our daily calorie need and daily protein need, what is the gap? Is it enough for our daily protein requirement? So this is my point today. I am making a strong defendable statement. And if you ask me, so what? I appreciate your question. If you criticize me with that so what, I appreciate it because that so what is so important to our health, our productivity, and our overall well-being. Let's explore it. Think about it. We often see our plates are filled with carbohydrate sources. Rice, roti, chapati, potato. It is all essential for giving us energy, but where is the protein bars? Where is the muscle building, metabolism boosting powerhouse that is called protein? Protein and bars, think about it. Why E is equal to MC square is so popular among the scientific community? What it reveals us? It says mass and energy are both interconnected. Similarly, protein is very important. It is the fundamental building block of life. Your muscle, your enzyme, your hormone, your immune system. Everything is deliberately in need of a protein. At Nutro Sapien, our mission is to provide you actionable science-based insights. That is why we have developed the Nutro Sapien app and website. The app is available in the Play Store. You can download it right now. We have meticulously uploaded the nutritional information of almost every ingredient based on the data from ICMR and the NIM, National Institute of Nutrition. Want to know the protein content of your grandma's special sambar or dal tadka? Just enter the recipe and the app will let you know the complete nutritional profile of your dishes. Want to know your personal daily protein requirement? Enter your data, your height, weight, sex, activity level, and age. The app will let you know how much calorie you need a day, and among that, how much protein you should consume. Now, you have your personal daily requirement at one hand, and your favorite recipe's nutritional profile on the other hand. You can simply compare it and see the gap. This isn't just information. It is a tool for transformation. After listening to all of this, if you still ask me why should I care, let me tell you the fundamental thing. Protein deficiency is not about feeling you weak. It is about slower metabolism, unable to manage weight, increased hunger, compromised immunity, and sometimes it affects your cognitive ability. You know what is the crazy thing about it? Even though we well aware of it, we know the science behind it, we still feel difficulty in following this in our practical daily life. If we want to know the psychology behind it, we should get help from the Daniel Kahneman, the Nobel laureate, who did scientific study on human mind. He says our unconscious biases often lead us to prioritize our immediate gratification, the taste, the comfort, over our long-term nutritional needs. That is why we need to be more cautious, we need to be more aware of, and that's where we, Nutro Sapien, comes to help you. We have been taught to fill our plate but not to optimize it. And this is not only the problem with India, it is a global challenge. But Being predominantly vegetarian in India, this challenge is more amplified. That is why we need to be more deliberate, more cautious than any other country in the world. Let me repeat the initial statement I made earlier because it's worth to remember. This isn't just an observation, it is a call to action. We cannot afford to be so naive, so dismissive about something so fundamental to our health. Every dal, every legume, every egg, every lean meat count. It all contributes to protein. Protein is essential for your vitality, period. Take control of your nutrition. Understand your body's need because when you do, you don't just eat, you thrive.